In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a section in Slack. Now, creating sections helps you to serve special purposes tailored towards your Slack workspace. For instance, you can create section for announcements. You can also create sections for various purposes just as you wish. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So to create a section, head over to channels and then click on these three dots here. Under it, choose create and then you can see create section. From this, now you can create a section for either a priority, which are important conversation, team, which is team channel and direct messages, announcements for internal communication, as well as social section. So I'd like to go ahead and create a priority section. This is for important conversation. So I'll just click on it and then create. However, before you click on create, you can make this amendment. You can edit it to anything that you wish by just typing what you want here. So for my case, I just leave it to priority and then click on create and the section will be created and you can find it here. So that's how you can create sections on Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.